Okay. Trying to load this so I can see what you're seeing. While this part of my transfer is drying because, well, mostly because the app that I'm using is having some issues tonight. So if you're able to stop on by and see this, that's if I can get Facebook to load. Right now it's not. So I might be live or I might not be. We'll figure it out. It's really strange. It looks like on my camera that I'm live. I am unable to see comments right now at all. So just be patient with me for a second. I just need to get in and see, pull it up so I've got the live stream in front of me. So come on in and see this September transfer. It is really cute. To see comments right now at all. So just be patient with me. Okay, I think we are there. All right, so I chalked this a little bit earlier. I'm just gonna dry it real quick, and then we're gonna put the transfer back down and finish it. I had to stop to do some technical glitches, which I cannot figure out how to fix at all right now. Not at all. Okay. Okay, that's nice and dry. We're gonna put this back down so I can finish what I started. Okay, so I am working on the Creep It Real September Club Transfer, Club Couture, and this is what we got yesterday in the mail. And it came with these 3 colors in pouches. And this is the size that the chalk paste comes. So you'll get 3 colors. Those are what they look like. Okay, so now let's go ahead and finish this black velvet section. Alright, I'm just smoothing this out, putting the extra back in my jar. Okay, now we're done with that color. Next, we're doing our bats in this meadow color, which is a nice bright green. Got a couple bats on here. Let's get. Okay, and now that we're done with the bats, we're going to do these little stars. and orange peel. There's dots and stars, some little dots and some little stars. But this will be a nice punch of bright color. Just what a Halloween board needs. Some bright colors. Okay, get the excess off. Just smoothing these out. Part of the reason you smooth it though is because you want the chalk paste underneath the silk screen to kind of go on smooth without like lines and different layer thicknesses. So this way, smoothing it out, you get that all one layer for your ink and your chalk paste. Okay, so where I patched in the center, it was a little bit bumpy, so I'm going to use, since we squeegeed some of the paste on and then we had some technical glitches, so I'm just going to take one of my paintbrushes, one of my skinny paintbrushes, and just touch that up, which you can do very easily. Okay, let me get some of this black velvet and fix this line and the letter T. Sometimes technical glitches happen or other things can go wrong in the middle of your live, and sometimes you just have to go with whatever life brings your way. In the middle of production, let's just count this as part of my bloopers where something didn't go well and I'm just making lemonade out of the lemons that I have been handed here. Alright, this T is really super bumpy, so I'm going to smooth the lines out. Okay, let's see here. When this dries, I think I'm gonna get some of that chalk paste off of there. Okay. Tricky. Now some of these distressed areas are supposed to be that way, and some aren't, so I'm just fixing up the lines. Typically, I do not have to do this at all. Our silk screens are crisp and clean lines. It was because I had just started and had to stop and leave an area dry and then pick up from there that it ended up getting a little bit problem. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of water and cleaning up this letter T a little bit so that this line I'm working on is supposed to be white, not gray. Okay, I think that looks really good. So there is our board. This is the September Chalk Couture Club transfer. So you have to be a club member to have this one. It is not too late to get it. If you sign up today or this week, you can still get this transfer mailed to you. So you will get this transfer, which is a 9 by 12 inch silkscreen. You'll get the 3 colors I used. This is the size that you get. It's like a 0.19 fluid ounce. It is enough to do the project and have some left over. So once you open it at the top and you use it, what you need to do the transfer, you can push the rest of it down, kind of roll this down, and then put a piece of tape on it to keep it fresh, and you can use it for other projects. And you'll get all 3 colors, the orange peel, meadow, and black velvet. So just something to think about if you'd like to have this transfer so that you can hang this up wherever you want in your home, or maybe you could stick it on an easel and put it next to your big bowl of Halloween candy that you're going to pass out this October 31st. Whichever way, both are great. So if you are not a member of my VIP group and you would like to be a customer, just comment, add me, and I'll send the link to you. And if you would like to be a club member and get a brand new limited transfer sent to your house that no one else can purchase, just comment club and I will send you the link to read all about the Club Couture. And then if you have family and friends that would like to see this video, by all means share it with them. And if you have people who are not on Facebook, I am also on YouTube at Beth's Classy Chalking. If you just YouTube and put that in the search, it will pull up all my videos that are on there. And please subscribe. So thank you so much for watching my live. Have a great day. If you can see yourself doing this, send me a message and I will send you a link to get more information about it. Thanks so much. Have a great night. Bye now.